汉斯·桑德森是丹麦奥胡斯大学环境科学系高级研究员，他向总台记者展示了北溪管道爆炸事件对于环境危害的调查研究结果，并表示目前没有合适的补救措施。
We know that there was in total 4 explosions, each around 500 kilos TNT, and that of course creates an immediate shock wave that as any explosion does can cause harm to living organisms. So fish and mammals that are within around 4 kilometers radius from these explosions will be killed. If they are further away, up to 40 or 50 kilometers away, the mammals will experience hearing loss.
桑德森教授表示，爆炸发生在以前倾倒过化学废物的地区附近，因此爆炸将数十年积累的污染物释放回海洋环境。研究人员估计，有25万吨受污染的沉积物，爆炸释放出的含有有毒物质的沉积物。这些物质可能会杀死一些海洋种群。同时，在爆炸发生的6天时间里，北溪管道释放了大量甲烷气体，排放量相当于约1500万吨二氧化碳。桑德森教授表示，破坏北溪管道是危害人类的行为。
And it's important, coming from an environmental point of view, also to be aware that armed conflicts have consequences also for the environment and natural organisms out there. And it's important to think about them as well. Not in the first place, because of course this is mostly a humanitarian disaster and problem. It's also an infrastructure and economic problem, but it is actually also an environmental problem.